KCRA 3's Leanne Danier talked to lawyers about how those decisions are made in cases like this one, Leanne.
Well, attorneys told us that it is just not possible that he would be tried as an adult under California state law. But out here at the intersection, even late tonight, people have been bringing flowers, lighting candles, leaving little trinkets for the victims. All of this incredibly emotional for people, and all of this happening as court proceedings are just beginning. It was at this intersection at College and Court in Woodland that everything changed.
Something so tragic, it really puts a lot of things into perspective, and I can only feel for the family.
There are flowers, candles, and pictures of 4-year-old Annalena and her grandmother, Tina Vital. They were killed after police say a 13-year-old driver in a stolen SUV hit 2 vehicles Saturday as they crossed through the intersection. An intense, emotional scene, including for the first responders.
It was a very traumatic incident. Some of them took some extra time off. Several of them are on days off now, so that helps because it allows them time to process. So the Woodland Police Department has several different programs that we have offered to them and continue to offer to our officers.
The young suspect pleaded not guilty Wednesday in juvenile court to 13 charges, including 2 counts of murder.
It is complicated, yes.
Family members of the victims want him charged as an adult, but attorneys unrelated with this specific case say that's just not an option.
They cannot. And in 2019, the legislature in California decided and passed a law that was signed into law that juveniles under 16 years old cannot be tried as an adult in California.
It will be up to a judge to decide if the teen will be released to his parents or remain in custody as he waits for his next court hearing. We did connect with Woodland Police, and they told us that they'll be handling the criminal part of this investigation while CHP handles the actual collision that took place here at the intersection. Woodland Police also told us that in the coming days they will be meeting with their officers to not only look at how they all responded to this incident, but also to check in on how they're doing emotionally. In Woodland, Leanne Danier, KCRA 3.
Yeah, it was a devastating scene that day. Leanne, thank you.